Hello student, this is Rekha. So today I will discuss about the chapter number 4 of class 9, that is linear equation in two variable. Okay student, linear equation in two variable. So student, after start this chapter I will tell you about first what is linear equation and what is variable. So we can simply say linear equation is the combination of variables and constant terms. Linear equation is the combination of variable and constant terms. And what is variable? This variable, तो इसकी definition है what is variable? Any unknown terms. We have to find the value of these unknown terms like x, y, z. These are variable. इसमें एक और term use हुई है constant terms. I think you all are know this very well. The constant terms any real number like a, B, C and so on. Okay. So the definition is linear equation is combination of variables and constant terms are linear equation. And what is variable? The definition is any unknown terms, that is x, y, z and so on. This is the definition of variable. So let's take an example of linear equation. Ax plus b equals to 0. This is LHS and this is RHS. एक बार स्टूडेंट्स आप ध्यान रखना, in any linear equation the LHS is always equals to RHS. LHS is always equals to RHS. Okay, and the highest degree of variable is 1. That's why it is called linear equation. And where A and B will never be 0. Okay, A and B will never be 0. If we put the value of A, if we take A equals to 0, then variable will be hidden. So that's why we will not take A and B never be 0. So this is the definition of linear equation in one variable. Okay, this is the definition of linear equation, and and here the variable is 1, so we can say this is linear equation in one variable. In one variable. Okay. Now, linear equation of many types. First, linear equation in one variable. The example of linear equation in one variable is that ax plus b equals to 0. When we use x and y in place of x, then we can say linear equation in two variable, that is linear equation when we talk about linear equation in two variable, then we can say any equation which have two variables that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So there is two variable x and y. X and y are the two variable in this equation. Students, what is the definition of linear equation in two variable? We can simply say any equation which have two variable or linear equation या any equations which are in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Any equation which have in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, that is linear equation in two variable, where a and b will never be 0. A and b will never be 0 and x, y are the coefficient. The highest degree of x and y in this equation is 1. Okay. Now, some properties. Of linear equation. So, some properties of linear equation is, first, it have many solutions or infinity number of solutions. इसको मैं आपको प्रूव करके दिखाती हूँ. इसके काफी सॉल्यूशन होते हैं. If we put x equals to 0 in this equation and take a equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to 3. ये आपको जब भी क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ होगा तब आपको a, b, c की वैल्यूज गिवन होंगी और आपको कोई भी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी होगी. ओके. और एक वेरिएबल आप एज्यूम करके चलते हैं. ठीक है. सो इफ वी टेक x equals to 0, then what we get the value of y is, let's put these value in this equation. A is 1 into zero plus b 2 into y plus c 3 equals to 0. This will be 0 plus 2y plus 3 equals to 0. What is the value of y we get? Y equals to this पॉजिटिव 3 राइट साइड जाएगा तो माइनस का 3 हो जाएगा एंड 2 इज इन डिवाइड, क्योंकि बिकॉज देयर इज इन मल्टीप्लाई. सो 3 अपॉन माइनस 3 अपॉन 2. देन द कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी, कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर x, y, दैट इज x0 and y minus 3/2. When we put the value of 0 in any linear equation, then we get, and when we take a, b, c is 1, 2, 3, then we get the value of y is minus 3/2 when we put 0, and when we take 1, 2, 3 like a, b, c. If we put x equals to 1, in this equation, then 1 into 1 plus 2 into y plus 3 equals to 0. Then y will be 3 and 1, 4. राइट साइड जाएगा -4 अपॉन, ये मल्टीप्लाई है इधर जाएगा डिवाइड में पहुंचेगा एंड विल बी कैंसिल बाय -2. Then the coordinates are, when we put the value of x 1, then we get the value of y is -2. If we take x equals to 3, then the value of y will be x a1 into x3 plus b2 y, we have to find it, plus 3 equals to 0. Then we find the value of y is minus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6, इधर जाएगा minus 6 अपॉन 2 मल्टीप्लाई में है, यहाँ जाएगा डिवाइड में पहुंचेगा, दिस विल कैंसिल बाय minus 3. So the coordinates are x3 and y minus 3. We can take the value of x as many, like x4, x5, x6. Then we find the value of infinite number of the value of y, so on. Okay students, now I think this is enough for the linear equation in two variable. Okay student, bye bye.